You know there's goats that live on Warm Springs, right? I'm your downtown Boise neighborhood reporter, Brendan Jones, and today I teach you about the Warm Springs Care Farm. Goats and horses, ducks and chickens. This isn't out in rural Idaho. You can find this right here on the east end of Boise.
Right off Warm Springs too. See this magical wonderland with all these animals and take care of a bunch of animals on a farm.
Oh, I love the way the sun is making that sparkle.
This is Linda Haley. She runs the Warm Springs Care Farm, and it's more than just a zoo. Haley told me she strives to create an inclusive, safe, and judgment-free environment for all people that walk in her backyard farm.
But what we do here is sneaky therapy.
By working with the animals, she says kids, especially ones who may feel outcasted by peers outside of the farm, get to work on their self-esteem. As an educator, she says the amount of mental stress some kids have drove her to do this.
You know, when I ask in a group, how many of you feel anxious from time to time? I mean, on average, I'm getting 60 to 70% of these kids. That's a problem for me. It really is. And so I want to find any way to use the animals to help them teach the kids how to use better self-care.
Farm, kids just don't play with the animals. They take care of them, learning skills.
We get to feed animals, we get to have fun, we get to just be here in general. Just being here is fun.
Haley pairs older kids like Maggie with younger ones, getting them experience as a leader.
I just love helping kids, and especially kids who maybe don't get might get bullied at school. I have been bullied at school, so having past experience, it's really cool to come to these kids and be able to bond with them.
The farm offers different programs for people of all ages. It also offers some kids a look at a possible future.
And I also really like fish, like I said, and if I can't be an entomologist, I would be a marine biologist.
When kids come here, they feel like they have a place and they belong.
For more information about the Care Farm, visit our website, idahonews6.com. On the East End, I'm your downtown Boise neighborhood reporter, Brendan Jones for Idaho News 6.